severe heat wave continues to wreak havoc with several deaths being reported across India, the Union Health Ministry has decided to establish special heat wave units in all central government hospitals. On Tuesday, Union Health Minister JP Nadda reviewed the heat wave situation and assessed the preparedness of central government hospitals. He also instructed officials to ensure that all hospitals are equipped to provide the best possible health care to those affected by the heat wave. The minister has asked for the dissemination of early warnings of heat waves issued by the India Meteorological Department. He has asked for the forecast for the next 4 days so that it can be circulated to health facilities and vulnerable populations well in advance. According to the government data assessed by News 18, this year 110 people have died of heat stroke in India so far, and Uttar Pradesh is the worst affected state with 36 deaths, followed by Bihar, Rajasthan and Odisha. However, the actual number is likely much higher as heat-related deaths are often underreported in rural areas. According to doctors treating patients at private hospitals, heat-related issues become concerning when temperatures exceed 45 degrees Celsius. Many people are falling sick and coming with severe symptoms such as high fever, multiple episodes of loose stools and vomiting. People show symptoms of dry, warm skin, headache, dry tongue, increased thirst, muscular cramps, and confusion with decreased urine output. Critical cases are presented at hospital emergency departments with high fever crossing 103 degrees Celsius, confusion, irritability, difficulty in maintaining balance, and loss of consciousness. Also, people are taking a longer time to recover. We spoke to over a dozen doctors at multiple locations. For instance, Dr. Rishu Agarwal from Manipal Hospital in Pune. The doctor has been diagnosing 25 to 30 patients every week with heat-related illnesses. She told News 18 that the number of cases is definitely higher as compared to previous years. Another doctor, Dr. Arvind Agarwal from Delhi-based Shri Balaji Action Medical Institute, told News 18 that his OPD is seeing around 10 patients daily with mild to moderate symptoms such as dehydration, diarrhea and mild fever. Overall, his OPD has managed 70 to 80 mild to moderate cases in the last 10 days. Generally, the experts have noted that the patient pool consists of individuals who are elderly or with pre-existing health conditions such as cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, diabetes, hypertension, and heart and kidney diseases, as these people are more vulnerable to heat strokes. Also, more cases are being reported among outdoor workers such as construction workers and agricultural laborers. The critical patients generally arrive in hypovolemic shock marked by a significant drop in blood pressure and oxygen levels. Hypovolemic shock is a risky condition which happens when the human body suddenly loses a lot of blood or fluids from the body. To prevent heat illnesses, doctors advise minimizing sun exposure, wearing light cotton clothes, staying indoors as much as possible, and ensuring adequate fluid intake in the form of water, coconut water, lemon water, and buttermilk.